Welcome to Speakeasy Spirits. Today we're going to make another Alice in Wonderland themed cocktail, this one inspired by the White Rabbit, and it's going to be a variation on the 24 Carat cocktail. Created originally by Travis Owens of Wolf's Ridge Brewing and Understory in Columbus, Ohio. Now Travis's cocktail is really good, but we're going to take some liberties here and switch up a few of the ingredients. This is going to be a shaken cocktail, and our first ingredient is acid-adjusted carrot juice. If you want to know how to make this, check out my video on the best bar in Boston, where I whipped up a batch of acid-adjusted carrot juice. It's essentially just 6% citric acid to bring the carrot juice up to the acidity of a lemon. We're going to need 1 ounce. The next ingredient is ½ an ounce of honey syrup. This is just 3 parts honey to 1 part water. Makes it a lot easier to pour. Now we need 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol or your preferred bitter red liqueur. Aperol is on the sweeter side of those liqueurs, so adjust accordingly. And finally, 1½ ounces of gin. We're going to use Bombay Sapphire. It's a London dry gin, but you could swap this out for an Old Tom, a Plymouth, or a contemporary gin. And last, we're going to use 2 dashes of celery bitters. Now we're going to shake that with ice for 10 to 15 seconds. We'll strain this into a coupe glass. Well, it was inspired by the 24 Carat cocktail. We've made some significant changes, so I'm going to call this No Time to Say Hello, Goodbye. I think acid-adjusted carrot juice is quickly becoming one of my favorite ingredients to use. This just hits you with a big citrus punch, like there's a lot of lemon in it, even though we haven't added any citrus at all. That acid balances out a nice sweetness from the carrot juice and the honey. The celery bitters give it a nice, clean, refreshing note. And the Aperol adds just a hint of bitterness to round it all out and make it very well balanced. I was just making this up on the fly here. The original 24 Carat cocktail used lemon juice and plain carrot juice, which I swapped out for different ratios of the acid-adjusted carrot juice, but I think it works really well. Honey roasted carrots are great on a plate, so why not bring some honey into the cocktail as well? I thought I might have to tweak this recipe a bit to make it just right, but I think we got it on the first try. Now, if you'll excuse me, I seem to be late for a very important date. I hope you liked the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.